Hello guys and welcome to Earn US Dollars from Anywhere. And I just want to talk about um, how you can save, how you can earn while you save. Again, welcome to Earn US Dollars from Anywhere. Hi, my name is Janice and I am going to be talking about how you can earn while you save. You can use this vehicle Bitnex, which is a very good opportunity. So it started 10 years ago, and people are getting paid out 2020, 2022, and 2023, and they're proof that there's people that are getting paid. And so I just want to let you know that you can use this vehicle to help you to earn while you save for the future. So with BitNex, it's a project where you activate a contract with $100, and within 2 years you cash out. So you get a loan. Once you activate the contract, you get a loan of 30 30,200. And so when you get the loan of 30,200, which is a bank that is loaning you the money, then at the end of the contract, the bank gets back their loan, and also while you're within the 2-year contracts, the bank they're getting the fees every month. They're getting the bank and the insurance, they're getting their fees every month. So they're earning, and you have to wait until the contract is up. Then you get that 21,500. So it is a win-win for both the bank and the individual. So there's more about this, which I can give you the information. If you message me, I'll give you the information. You need a password to enter to get the information on the webinar. So this Bitnex, you can refer people, and you can get 30%, 30% per person, and that is just the low end part of it. But each person that sign up, once they cash out at the end of their contract, you also receive a percentage also, which is a much bigger payout as well. And you have another way, so that's the second way of earning. You also have um, a third way of earning. So once you sign up about 1,000 people or so, or once you have 100,000, um, everybody's earning like 100,000 together, then that's you know something they pay you um, every month. I think that's about $5,000 every month or so. So yeah, with that said, you can earn a lot of money in 3 ways, and you can earn money now while you save. So this is a good opportunity. Please check it out. I will leave my, a link in the description for you to check it out. And also, if you're interested to sign up and want to hear and know more about it, you can message me and I'll send you the password. Thank you, and please subscribe and like and share to get more information and updates. Thank you. Have a great day.